Okay, Emma.
Is O.
What are you, I don't know why you're spelling that.
It's so hard. Nobody can spell it.
Wait,
Which one is
the
it?
word? What is the word?
It's cup.
Wow, that is so hard. You want to see
Cup?
me try and spell it? C-U-P. Is that how you spell it?
No, it's Q.
Oh.
Q. R. R. R.
Okay.
K.
What do you mean K? I just said okay. So don't copy me, okay? I mean what? I mean K, I mean okay.
My kids are all beat up. Yeah, they are.
Just listen to
I
me.
said K.
I'm finished.
Okay, so how do you spell cup
K.
again?
Cup is O. It's C. R. K. K.
Hey,
O. O.
That's it?
guys.
Thank you.
And this is how we spell refrigerator. So hard, nobody can spell it too. O.
Wait.
Let her speak.
O. K. R. R. K.
Are you
That
ready?
spells?
Are
And
you?
this is how I spell this.
Phone?
Phone, yeah.
How?
K by itself, and then O,
And then the next letter.
and then L.
And then the next letter.
Wait,
And then next letter.
D,
Oh.
and then P.
Oh, and then next letter. Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys.
I.
Okay.
And
Bye.
then this
Thank
is
you.
Say bye.
Wait.
And
Can
then
I say bye?
And then this is.
Thank you for leaving soon, cause you're disturbing me while I'm eating.
Okay.
Bye.
And then this is how I spell this.
I am so rude.
And
Wow.
Then, and then this is how I spell this.
That's why I even got a boo boo.
Let her finish spelling that and we're done.
I'm gonna spell all of the words. It's so hard.
That'll take more time.
Hurry.
And then.
We're leaving
Goodbye.
soon.